Clip-in hair systems work by attaching clips to a poly perimeter on the outside base of the system. This can either be done from temple to temple, using tape to secure the system at the front, or if you have hair at the front, you can add a clip to the front and also secure it all the way around. There are various sizes of clips that can be used based on the density of your hair. If your hair is very fine, we can use a small clip that can grip into the fine hair properly, versus if your hair is thick, a larger clip might work better. To be a good candidate for clip-in hair systems, you need to first have a minimum amount of hair at the sides and the back of the system to clip onto. You also have to be willing to take your system off daily, as sleeping in a clipped-in system is not ideal for the health of your bio hair, as the pulling from clips as you toss and turn can lead to traction alopecia. Hope you found this helpful. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.